Hello guys, this is Ben. Welcome to the another video. This is week 2 trading analysis. So right now you can see it's now 12:04 a.m. It's Tuesday, the 3rd of February in Hong Kong. And this week we have 4 pairs. In the first one we have Euro JPY, which I have already taken the trade, and it's currently looking not good. It's looking not good. So basically you can see we have weekly bullish and we have daily bullish and we have 4-hour bearish. So let's check it out. You can see we have a very bullish movement over the past few weeks. In the daily you can see we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low and higher high. And now in this area of interest we are forming a potential higher low, and then you can see we have a couple of consolidations over here in this area of interest, and then as well as we have our psychological level of 183.500. We have a couple of these doji candles in the past few days. If we look at the 4-hour, you can see the 4-hour is bearish, especially we are still within this very bearish move. And then our area of interest is actually this support line, support zone. You can see whenever the price is below it, it goes down. Whenever the price is above it, it goes up. And now we have this break and retest set up, and now we are entering a retest, and you can see we have 4-hour EMA align, we have psychological level, and then we have volume profile key level align as well. And then I actually take the trade in a 30-minute this bullish engulfing candle after entering the London sections with this bullish 30-minute bullish engulfing candle along with this 50 EMA align. I don't think it's a really good entry because personally I prefer 1-hour or 2-hour bullish engulfing candle, which I think is more stronger from my experience. And the next pair is Europe USD, and as you can see we have weekly bullish, especially if you look at this. Before we have this resistance, and after this we have broken the resistance and now having a retest in this resistance, and we have psychological level of 1.18 thousand, which is pretty strong to me. And then in daily you can see we have a very bullish movement in the past few days, and now it's pulling back, having a retest. The daily EMA is coming up as well. Yeah, it's pretty much a daily break and retest setup. And of course the 4-hour is bullish as well. As you can see, it's coming a retest, is currently retesting this area of interest. As you can see, that whenever the price is below it, it goes down. Whenever the price is above it, it goes up. And I'm currently expecting either 2-hour bullish engulfing candle or 4-hour bullish engulfing candle to enter the trade. So next one, AUD CHF. As you can see now, the weekly is bearish. This is also the trade that we took last week, but it ended up not really good. We have weekly bearish. We are still within this very bearish move, and then we have a weekly EMA line, weekly rejection from this EMA, and then we have a daily high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, high high, and high low. And this high low is actually very significant and valid because we are currently breaking the previous high high, forming a potentially higher high. And you know, the trade has gone, but I think I might enter the trade with this pullback, with this retest area of interest, along with this EMA align, and then having a retest in this area of interest, and then we can enter the trade potentially. And we have a psychological level. A weak one is 53,800. Yeah, as you can see over here. Yeah, we'll see. We can either wait for the entry when the price pull back to this area of interest, and then we seek for a bullish engulfing candle and enter the trade. It's pretty good because the time frame is pretty much aligned. And you can see we have some price consolidations in this area of interest. You know, the price stop here, the price consolidates in here, the price consolidates in here as well, meaning that we have a pretty much strong area of interest in this area, in this zone. So yeah, the trade is pretty solid if the price can pull back again. So last but not least, we have NZD JPY. I don't think I'm gonna enter this trade because we have already taken a JPY trade, JPY pairs. So this trade is pretty much, for me, would be a little bit risky. But anyway, let's see. We have a weekly bullish, pretty clear. We have daily bullish. This is the high low, and now the price keep heading up. We have 4-hour bullish, a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now the price have a rejection from this area of interest and then keep going up. And we have psychological level as well, 93.1. And if you look at the 1 hour, 2 hour, you can see the price have a little bit of a consolidation or rejection over this area of interest. So I'm gonna enter the trade after the price break the previous high, creating a new higher high, and then having a retest of this area of interest along with 50 EMA support. If I see a price rejection, which is the bullish engulfing candle, then we can enter the trade. But like I said, I have already taken a JPY pairs. I'm still thinking whether I should take the trade. If the market doesn't provide me any other opportunity, then this trade might be taken. So we'll see. Yeah, let's just be patient, and I don't want to force myself to get involved in the market if the market doesn't provide me any opportunity. So yeah, we'll see. I'll update you guys later. Alright guys, trade update. It's currently 10:06 p.m. on 4th of February, Wednesday night in Hong Kong, and I have taken my second trade for the week, which is Euro USD. As you can see, the price is still ranging around in my entry area. As you can see, we have weekly bullish, and then it's a weekly break and retest the area of interest entry, and then in a daily you can see that it's bullish as well. We were having a retest in our area of interest, and then we zoom in the 4 hour. You can see the 4 hour is actually bullish as well. As you can see, I entered the trade yesterday. I think it's 15 minutes bullish engulfing candle, this bullish engulfing candle over here. To be honest, it was a bad entry. I would say it was a bad entry time. So what's the better way to do it? I would say it's better if I wait for more structure. I wait for more price reaction. So we can see we have a lower high over here, lower low. Actually, I should wait for a structure here, and then the break of this structure high, retest and enter with the bullish engulfing candle, which would be better if I enter the trade maybe in today's this 4 hour engulfing candle. It will be more secure. So this is my second trade for the week. For my first trade, Europe JPY price is currently pretty good. We were actually about 2-3 hour today. I'm thinking maybe we can target a little bit more for the week. So I didn't close the trade, I didn't take profit, but now the price is dropping down, so I have already moved my stop loss up to around this level, so we won't suffer a loss even though the trade is not playing well. And something I would like to say is I think it's better to wait for the price to have a EMA line as well as the bullish engulfing candle. I think my ideal entry point is here. If I can do it again, this is going to be my entry point. So that's pretty much for the week. If I see something, maybe I should target the price around here because we have something sort of resistance in here. So we'll see. Maybe the price is gonna go up a little bit in this area of interest. Maybe this psychological level 500 of here. Maybe we can set our take profit in somewhere around here. Because overall, you can see the trend is bullish. So the trend is bullish. So I do believe that the price can go up again. That's all. A very quick trade update. We'll see. I'll update you guys maybe. Hey. What's up guys? Trade update. It's currently 10:24 p.m. It's Friday night in Hong Kong on 6th of February. Like I said, it's the last day of the week, so our trade is going to be done. Last time I said I would take profit for the Euro JPY at around 185.500 over here, but you know, I think maybe the price is not strong enough to go that high. So I adjusted my take profit, my TP. I moved my take profit a little bit lower, which is around here. And as you can see, we took the profit at around 3.1 R, which means we made 3.1 times 2% for the week, which is 6.2. Right, we made 6.2% on for a Europe JPY this week. It's really nice. It's really nice. You know, 3 hours is not easy because our goal is to make at least 2.5 hour. We're making over 3 hours, which is good. And for the next one, Europe USD, as you can see, the market is really slow. The market is not moving really strong, and it's still ranging around inside our area of interest. You know, I would say I entered the trade quite early. I should wait for the price to sort of, you know, more structure formations inside my area of interest. And as you can see in daily, it seems like the price is forming a potential bullish engulfing candle. So ideally, it's gonna be my next week's potential setup, because after this daily bullish engulfing candle occurs in my area of interest, I can, you know, further confidently to prove and ensure my setup is good. I'm gonna save this for next week. Like I said, this is already the last day of the week. It's Friday night, so I'm not gonna hold the trade anymore. I'm gonna, you know, just close the trade. You know, I don't want to hold the trade over the week, so I'm gonna just close the trade right now. You know, around break even, maybe lose a little bit of commission fees and, you know, swap. Let's say if I lose some commission fee and swap, I'm gonna make approximately 6% for the week. Yeah, still profitable for the week, which is really good. I'm gonna show my current balance over here. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks for the week. It's a lovely week. So see you next week.